Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best fishing kayaks in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these fishing kayaks, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Perception Pescador Pro 12. The Pescador is a 12-foot sit-on-top kayak which features a multi-chine hull design which should help keep you stable and assist with tracking, making it a great fishing kayak for a range of waters. To help you on long fishing trips, the seat is removable and adjustable into two positions, upright and reclined for paddling and fishing. The seat also slides along rails to make space for stand-up fishing. There's a mesh-covered tank well at the bow end. At the rear is a large storage area, covered with bungee rope to keep your essentials tied down. At the front of this well is a hatch compartment. You could store fishing rods in here or whatever else you intend carrying along that needs to stay dry. There's also a center console with cup holders for easy access. It might be ideal for a battery for any electronics you might want to bring, fish finder, or a GPS, etc. There's a drink holder in front of the console. The Pescador comes with two molded fishing rod holders just behind the seat. If you want more, you can add rod holders to the gear track rails on the sides of the cockpit. You could also add other gadgets to these rails, totally up to you. Rest your feet on the fully adjustable braces for maximum comfort. Reasons to buy: spacious deck, accessory tracks, removable seat. Reasons to avoid: limited dry storage. Number 2. Advanced Elements StraitEdge Angler Kayak. The StraitEdge from Advanced Elements is designed for the solo fisherman. Although it is technically an inflatable kayak, it does have an aluminum ribbed frame that helps give good shape to the kayak when inflated. This is quite a short jack, measuring in at 9'8" but can carry up to 300 pounds, so it's perfectly capable of taking the average built person and all the cargo you need for your fishing trip. It can be ideal for kayak fishing in hard-to-reach lakes. Two storage areas are located at the front and rear with shock cord deck rigging. The available space isn't going to be as good as a hard-shelled kayak. That's just the nature of the beast. But for an inflatable, it's pretty good. The removable bar at the front can be used to place any gadgets you may have. Two fishing rod holders are located right behind the seat. A nice touch is the adjustable lumbar, which can be inflated to a level of your choosing. Reasons to buy: good tracking, ideal for fishing in a range of waters, easy to transport and store. Accessory mounts. Reasons to avoid: limited storage. Number 3. BKC T-Cone 181 12.5 Tandem Sit-on-Top Kayak. The Brooklyn Kayak Company T-Cone 181 is the perfect kayak for all the avid anglers out there wanting to go out fishing with some company. It is of course a two-person, two-paddle kayak, capable of carrying up to 450 pounds in weight. It's not the lightest kayak, 68 pounds, so you'll probably need a buddy for car topping it. It does have carry handles at the bow, stern and sides. The side handles double up as paddle holders. This 12.5-foot kayak has open storage space at the rear with bungee cords as cover. Then there are two storage hatches, each in front of a seat. There are dedicated inserts that slot into each hatch to keep your water-hating valuables free from getting wet. It comes with adjustable 3-rod holders which can be placed in front of the paddlers. Any of these holders can be removed, giving you the option to fit other gadgets instead. There are a further 4 flush rod holders on the deck. This one does come with 2 aluminum paddles and 2 seats. There's the option to fit a trolling motor to the rear if you prefer a motorized kayak. Note that this isn't the most stable kayak for standing on unless you have excellent balance. So, if you enjoy fishing while standing up on your yak, you're probably better off looking elsewhere. Comes in 4 different colors: blue, green, sand, and gray. Reasons to buy: removable rod holders, paddles included, motor ready, 2 storage hatches. Reasons to avoid: not built for standing, seats aren't great for long trips. Number 4. Lifetime 2-person tandem fishing kayak. This 10-foot PVC fishing kayak can be used for solo or tandem use. In fact, 3 can fit on board. This cheap fishing kayak is designed to be extremely stable, which makes it a good stand-up fishing yak, but only if you have perfect balance. There's also scupper holes to drain any water from the cockpit area. The molded seats are ergonomic with soft backrest, which makes it comfortable to sit in, but you may not want to spend long periods sitting. It has ditty trays and shock cord straps to hold your loose items, a 6-inch storage hatch, and 4 conveniently placed fishing pole holders. This could be the best cheap fishing kayak on the market today, and there are cup holders for each paddler. Reasons to buy. Good for flat water. Tandem fishing kayak. Built-in rod holders. Reasons to avoid. Seats are not great. Limited storage. Number 5. Sevylor 2-person fishing kayak. Made with 18-gauge PVC, it's designed to take a battering. The Colorado has a few features that other kayaks lack. It contains multiple air chambers, which means if you do get a puncture, only a section of the yak will deflate. There are electric motor fittings if you want to make it a motorized fishing kayak. It may not be suitable for a gas outboard motor, yes. Sometimes all that paddling can get tiresome. Customers overall are very happy with this shack. This is mainly because it has plenty of room for equipment, and also because of how easy it is to inflate and deflate. This can be ideal for fishing in hard-to-reach lakes. Reasons to buy. Easy to transport. Motor ready. Stable in a variety of conditions. Reasons to avoid. Not very roomy for 2 anglers. Not built for speed.